Every year we've done this, we hear a lot of great feedback. You've done the first step, which is the hardest, and you've actually took time away from your business to focus on it. The number one thing that I can recommend to invest your time on is for your company, find your champions. And this is where we see the most success, the breweries and cideries that take the time to find the champions that are already in the company. Thank you all for coming for the last 2 days. Thank you for the great feedback that you've given us. We really appreciate it. It's so good to see your faces, to engage with you. After you leave here, I really hope that you take what you've learned back to your company and implement it.